हेलो ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स, वेलकम बैक टू हिमानी गोयल सोल स्टूडियो। मैं हूं हिमानी गोयल और आज हम देखने वाले हैं आपका वीकली टैरो हॉरोस्कोप फॉर 24 मई से 30 मई 2026 तक यूजिंग फेरी टैरो कार्ड्स। ये वीक मंथ का लास्ट वीक है, तो यूनिवर्स कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्लोजर्स, इमोशनल लेसन्स और फ्रेश बिगनिंग्स लेकर आ रहा है। कुछ साइंस के लिए हीलिंग एनर्जी स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगी, वाइल कुछ लोगों का करियर, लव और सेल्फ ग्रोथ में इंपॉर्टेंस गाइडेंस मिलेगी। तो अपना मून साइन, सन साइन, जो भी आप रेजोनेट करते हैं उनसे चेक करिएगा फॉर बेटर क्लैरिटी। एंड यस, मैं टाइम स्टैम्प डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी, सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली जंप टू योर ज़ोडिएक साइन। अगर आपको ये रीडिंग्स हेल्पफुल लगती है तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा मेरे चैनल को, एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि मुझे सपोर्ट मिल सके और आपको मेरे न्यू वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। और अगर आप मुझसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो इंस्टाग्राम, थ्रेड, फेसबुक, ट्विटर पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं। मैं सारे सोशल मीडिया का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी। So now just take a deep breath, relax, have coffee or chai in your hand and let's begin your weekly tarot guidance from 24th to 30th May 2026. Let's start the video. So first zodiac sign is Aries, that is मेष राशि। तो चलिए देखते हैं एरीज के लिए ये हफ्ता 24 से 30 मई 26 का कैसा रहेगा, यूनिवर्स की क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, सो फॉर एरीज वी हैव द कार्ड द एम्प्रेस, which means it's time to take action. So whatever dreams, goals you have thought of, it's time to take action. It requires creativity, so you have the power of creativity. Make use of it to achieve success. Also there will be luxury, financial abundance. Whatever projects or work you are doing, you will achieve success in life. That will allow you to enjoy the life of luxury. So it's time for pampering yourself, do some self care, self regime. So this is a very self love card. Also, if you are in a relationship, you will have a passionate relationship. This card also suggests baby, so you might plan for a baby who are already married. So all the best, Aries. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Taurus. वृषभ राशि के लिए देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, सो Taurus, for you the card is 10 of winter, which means this is the week where you have a resolution of difficulties. So whatever difficulties you were facing last week, Taurus, this will be the resolution of difficulties. So a weight lifted off your shoulder. So जो आपके ऊपर बोझ था, that will going to be lifted off from your shoulder. It is the time for end of addictions. Whatever addictions you have, whether it is drinks, smoking or any other addiction, this is an end of addiction. Or you are too much dependent on others, which also come to an end as you will achieve success and financial independence this week. So all the best, Taurus. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Gemini. मिथुन राशि के लिए देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, so Gemini, for you the card is 2 of summer, which means this week singles might fall in love or make a serious commitment. It's a time for love and relationship to someone. Also, forgiveness is the resolution of a problem if you are facing any challenges in your relationship or with your friendship, anything. So forgiveness is the resolution to your problem. Or for struggling relationships, don't give up. Your relationship will be healed. Just forgive or have an open communication. Definitely your problems in relationship will be resolved. So all the best, Gemini. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन, दैट इज कैंसर। कर्क राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है, लेट्स सी। ओके, सो कैंसर, फॉर यू द कार्ड इज किंग ऑफ स्प्रिंग, विच मीन्स दिस वीक you are very wise and inspiring to others. You are very innovative, so there might be a financial windfall. So if you have given money to someone, it might come back to you. All the debt will be cleared. Also, it can be FD matured, so you have a financial windfall this week. Also, your leadership skills are required in your team, so just inspire them and show your leadership skills to them and help them to achieve their goals. Also, if you are working on some cause, an unexpected supporter will come to help you in your cause. So overall, it's a good card for you. All the best, Cancer. चलिए, let us move on to the next zodiac sign, that is Leo. Let's see what is the guidance for Leo. Okay, so Leo, for you the card is 3 of Winter, which means this is a very difficult period for you. You might have an heartbreak, or you are disappointed as your expectations are not fulfilled. So it's the time not to stay alone, but reach out to others for comfort and love, who you feel, whose warmth will help you to heal your wounds. So this is the time to reach out to others. Also, it happens that you will grow stronger from this situation. Challenges come in our life to make us stronger, so definitely this situation will make you more stronger, and the sadness will surely heal with time. It's only that if you feel like crying, cry out loud. Universe must have better plans, so just heal yourself by crying or by seeking comfort from others. Definitely you will heal. All the best, Leo. चलिए, next zodiac sign Virgo. Let's see the guidance for Virgo. Let's see. Okay, so Virgo, for you the card is the Sun, which means the plans which you have started will work out perfectly and you will achieve success. Whatever challenges you faced last week, it will going to get over and you will have abundance and success in life. Your ideas will lead to rewards and commendations. People will appreciate your ideas and your work. Always have gratitude for the blessings of life. So this is the time where you need to have gratitude towards universe for fulfilling your wishes, making it successful. So always cherish the blessings of life. All the best, Virgo. Chaliye, next zodiac sign, that is Libra. Let's see what is stored for Libra. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is Unity, which means this week you might be joining a spiritual minded community. Also, it's the good way to compare traditional methods with new approaches and use which one works for you. Don't go what people says or what your colleague says. Think about what is best for you and then you choose the right approach. Also, because it is saying that do the right thing for the right reason, so you have to do the right thing for the right reason, which is definitely telling you to compare and choose the best option that will lead to success. So all the best, Libra. चलिए, next zodiac signs Scorpio. Let's see वृश्चिक राशि के लिए guidance. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is Queen of Autumn, which means this week you need to be practical with respect to how you proceed in life, what you need to do in life. So for that you have to be practical. Emotions will not work out. You are generous and practical and also very stylish. You have the power to make anything beautiful, which means whatever you will do, definitely you will achieve success in life, but you have to be practical and think about how you can proceed to achieve success. Also, you might meet someone who can help your dreams come true. So you are looking for somebody for your business or for your project to help you to reach your goals. This is the right week where you will meet someone who can ready to help you for your dreams. So all the best, Scorpio. Let us move ahead to the next zodiac, Sagittarians. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is the Star. So this week you should be hopeful and optimistic. So you have to look at the future with positivity and optimism. You have the power of faith to move mountains. That means if you are hopeful, you can achieve anything in life. your faith is strong, then you can achieve success, growth, prosperity, anything in life. Happy changes will bring relief from challenging times. So whatever challenging times you were facing, this is the time where you will have happy changes. So all the best, Sagittarians. Let's go to Capricorn. चलिए देखते हैं Capricorn की guidance. Okay, so Capricorns, for you the card is 6 of Winter, which means positive changes are on your way. So whatever challenges you were facing, it is the time to have welcome relief from all the troubled times, and positive changes are coming. Also, you might relocate to some other place. I know it is tough choice, but this will lead you to success. So you are moving from disturbing to a calmer place. This also indicates transition period, maybe your role change, profile change, so that transition is smooth and you will happily involved in the new projects. This card also tells traveling for job interviews or for leisure, also to have a positive change in life. So traveling is always a good option. So all the best, Capricorns. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac sign Aquarius. Let's see the guidance for Aquarius. Okay, so Aquarius, for you the card is Moon, which means don't let worries hold your self and not let you to move forward. So it is the time to let go of your worries and fear. अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रूथ ऑफ द सिचुएशन. तो ये सिचुएशन हुआ कैसे, इसको समझो एंड लेट गो ऑफ योर वरीज, पास्ट वरीज, अनकॉन्शियस फियर्स विच इज़ नॉट लेटिंग यू टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. दिस इज द टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रूथ of the situation. Also powerful intuitive ephemeries. So you have the powerful intuition, make use of it and let go of your worries and fear. Understand the situation. All the best, Aquarius. The last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Pisces, for you the card is Lovers, which means true love is long lasting. So this week singles might get true love that will be long lasting and you spend quality time with them. Already in a relationship will enjoy time, or if your relationship is struggling, listen to your heart, have an open communication and mend your ways, have a joyful and harmonious relationship. Whatever choices you will make, whether it is for your love life or your work, you will make directly from heart. Also, if you are suffering from some bad health or illness, it is the return of good health. So you will be healthy and hearty and enjoy time with your partner. So all the best, Pisces, and thank you so much everyone for watching the weekly horoscope. I hope these guidances will help you to plan your coming week. Till then, see you next week. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great